Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So Christmas is round the corner and it is a festival of cookies and plum cakes. So here I am sharing the recipe of these delicious double chocolate cookies which are perfect for Christmas or any time cravings. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी कोडियो देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a bowl take 1/3 cup of melted butter. To that add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can also add normal sugar if you don't have brown sugar. Whisk for 2 to 3 minutes and then add 3 tablespoons of milk and mix till the sugar is dissolved. If you want to make it with egg, then instead of milk add 1 egg. Now add 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Fold and mix till combined. Do not overmix, otherwise the cookies will turn hard. Just mix till combined. Then add 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Mix them well with the dough. Keep it in fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take out the dough and scoop out using a spoon and make a ball. Place on a baking tray lined with butter paper. Prepare all the cookies like so. Add few more chocolate chips on top of the cookies to make it even more chocolatey. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Our cookies are perfectly baked now. Allow them to cool down a little. And let's dig in. Our yummy double chocolate cookies are ready. These are so chocolatey and so delicious and are so easy to make. So do try it out yourselves this Christmas and let me know how it turned out. Merry Christmas everyone. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.